Welcome back. Joining me now is Joe Bercelli with the Destin Golf and Beach Resort. Joe, we've been talking about the economy. Really, it's obviously hit hard, especially a lot of coastal properties. But still some great deals for people who are looking into, getting into this market now. What's available? How has the economy impacted the Destin Sandestin area?
Well, like everything else, real estate's down. The good thing is that we feel like we have found the bottom, which I think it may sound like a bad thing, but it's actually a very good thing. We're moving through a lot of the lower end prices that have crept up over the last 6 months. And from a unit count standpoint, sales are very good, probably the best they've been in 2 or 3 years. Our dollar volume obviously is down, just like it is probably just about everywhere. But moving through that and again finding the bottom is probably the best thing could have happened to us. And so from that standpoint, we couldn't ask for a better situation considering where the market is nationally.
And I know we were talking a little bit about short sales, maybe something that wasn't such a household term before this economic downturn. Can you explain a little bit about short sales and how they affect this area in particular?
Well, short sales are going to affect just about any area at this point in time in the economy. For us, it affects us somewhat on the resort because most of the homes here, a lot of them, are secondary homes. And so obviously if people have a choice between a primary residence and a vacation home and they got to make a payment on one, it's going to be their primary. So we do have a number of short sales in here that we're actually working through. A short sale is basically when you sell something that's less than you owe on it, basically. And I mean, you have to sell it for less than what you owe on it. But we're moving through those pretty quickly. It's a good number of sales that we have right now. The banks are receptive to offers, and I can't say enough about what the staff has done here at Sandestin to move through those.
For people that are at home and wondering, why does this pertain to me? Maybe they've been thinking about getting a summer vacation home, timeshare, something like that. What does this particular time frame, what's going on in the economy now, what does this offer them?
Well, there's a pro and a con to everything, and obviously the biggest pro right now is it's a great time to purchase. I mean, it really is. If you look at the last 10 years, we're at prices right now that we haven't seen since 1998 for the Sandestin area. So if you want to buy, now's the time to do it. If you want to sell, I'd say if you don't have to, don't sell. But if you're out there looking for a bargain, now's the time to do it.
Okay. Thank you, Joe Bercelli with Sandestin Golf and Beach Resort. Appreciate it so much for giving us a little insight. We're going to take a quick break, but we will be right back. Stay with us.